Rollover 401k to Gold IRA, a step-by-step checklist for investors. For investors seeking protection from inflation, market swings, and economic uncertainty, a rollover 401k to Gold IRA can be a wise move. This strategy allows retirement savings to be diversified with physical gold, a proven hedge against volatility. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. To ensure a smooth and compliant process, here is a concise checklist every smart investor should follow. 1. Clarify your purpose. Define why you want gold in your retirement plan. Many investors use it as a hedge against inflation, currency risks, or unstable markets. 2. Verify eligibility. Check whether your 401k allows rollovers. Some plans restrict transfers while you are still employed, so confirm with your administrator. 3. Choose a qualified custodian. A Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian. Look for transparency, reliability, and a clear fee structure. 4. Understand IRS rules on gold. Only certain coins and bullion are permitted. For example, American Gold Eagles and Canadian Maple Leafs qualify, but collectibles do not. 5. Select secure storage. Gold IRA assets must be stored in an approved depository. Decide between segregated, individual, or commingled, shared, storage options. 6. Opt for a direct rollover. A direct rollover moves funds from your 401k directly to the Gold IRA custodian, avoiding taxes and penalties. Indirect rollovers are riskier and time-limited. 7. Decide on allocation. Determine how much of your portfolio to put into gold. A common range is 5 to 10%, though higher allocations may suit those seeking stronger hedges. 8. Track market conditions. Keep an eye on global events, interest rates, and currency shifts. Gold prices respond to these factors, offering opportunities for strategic timing. 9. Integrate with overall retirement plan. A Gold IRA should balance with other holdings like stocks and bonds. Diversification remains key to long-term financial security. A rollover 401k to Gold IRA is more than a transfer of funds, it is a strategic safeguard for retirement wealth. By following these 9 steps, investors can diversify confidently, protect purchasing power, and build a portfolio prepared for both growth and resilience. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.